The Wheel of Time. I am a witness to history and a keeper of stories. Stories that are our bridges across generations, that help us discover a sense of shared heritage. Today, I am here to tell you about a beautiful temple built on the banks of Paschimavahini, where the river Kaveri flows westwards here in all her grandeur. This is a saga of selfless service, profound love, and unwavering devotion. The journey begins on the banks of Kaveri, where the river meanders through its course, gurgling in joy as the dancers frolic in her waters, praying for her blessings and whispering stories to the majestic Ashwatha Vriksha, the sacred peepal tree, standing with grace, its divine roots rising in devotion consciousness, the leaves rustling to the breeze with vibrant cosmic energy. Kaveri, the river of life, Ashwatha, the tree of wisdom, worshipped for ages, witness to this tale, connecting the past and the present. Let me take you back in time to the village fields where a young Srinivasa, a strong man with a loving heart, watches over his settlements and also the farm workers tending to the crops. And somewhere close by, a dainty beauty, Gayamma, with a sweet and melodious voice, dancing along the riverbanks and playing with her friends. Watch with me as love gently blossoms between the two. The heavens bestowed celestial blessings as the two of them discover a joyous connection during the Utsava Murti procession. There were smiles of joy all around as the wedding of young Srinivasa and Gayamma solemnized with the blessings of their parents. And what a delight it was to see this joy grow in abundance as the couple welcomed their little son, beloved Venkatachar, into their family a few years later. I vividly remember the worry on Gayamma's face as Srinivasa goes for his regular rounds of field survey. Walk beside me to a quiet moment beneath the Ashwatha tree where a weary Srinivasa rests after a long travel, when Sri Krishna appears in his dream, the Lord's eyes gleaming with radiance, peacock feathers adorning his crown, and gopikas dancing in divine leela. The Lord speaks, "Beneath where you rest, you shall find my idol. Dig the earth, build a temple, install me there, and serve all pilgrims who visit the temple during the sacred Kaveri Tulasnana." As the word spread, when Srinivasa described his dream, in awe and wonder, villagers gather to build the temple. With a prayer on their lips and devotion in their eyes, the temple flourished under the loving patronage of Srinivasa and Gayamma. The celebrations continued with Venkatachar's wedding and the warm welcome of Bellari Sitama into their family as their daughter-in-law. I am Kala Chakra, the cyclical flow of joy and grief across the stages of life. I stand still in silent admiration as I see young Sitama rising from the shadows of grief after the untimely passing of Srinivasa, Gayamma, and their beloved son Venkatachar. With grace in her bearing and strength in her heart, Sitama upholds the sacred traditions with the same devotion as had once lit the eyes of those before her by offering Annadanam to all the devotees. The image of Sitama tearing a piece of her sari to ask for alms so she could feed the pilgrims became an embodiment of resilience and spiritual strength. The sound of the temple bells and shlokas echoed through the air. The chanting of the sacred mantras filled the atmosphere. Drawn by the divine energy, I joined the vibrant procession of Sri Venugopala Krishna Swami again as the village came alive in celebration of his glory. What is it that these stories across time teach us? It tells us that like Paschima Vahini, traditions must flow from one generation to the next. As Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, if one offers me with love and devotion, a leaf, a flower, a fruit, or water, I accept it. It is not the offering, but the devotion that sanctifies. Let us discover the true spirit of Krishna, the spirit of selfless service, of action without attachment, of love without condition, the spirit of bhakti. The unwavering devotion is everywhere, in each one of us. Let us help this devotion help us see Krishna, attain Krishna, and unite us with Krishna. Join me in the Odyssey of Paschima Vahini Krishna.
Paschima